Welcome to the Chicken Sniper's tutorial on Mass Effect 3 Space Galaxy Map. This place is where we're starting, and I'm going to start with the scanning bit. So you can see from just going over the name of the system exactly how much scanning I've done. So we're going to one that I've done a little bit of scanning in. Here's scanning menu. Pretty much the way to scan is you go over to some place and you press scanning button. And if there is something in system, the Reapers will get more alert. I'm gonna provoke the Reapers into following my ship so that you guys can see how they behave in the system. Now as you see, they spawn from where the red blips were, and they begin very slowly, and they quickly accelerate to faster than your ship can travel.
Evasion successful.
However, they will lose you no matter what you do if you go into the galaxy map or the cluster map, and if you return to the system where they were, they'll be there again. I'll show you what happens when all of the Reapers in system congregate on your ship. Game over. Now I'm going to get into fuel and how fuel works. So before this episode began, I went to random places and did some flying around, and I depleted my fuel. So sometimes it's hard to find this place where there's any good fuel stations. Another thing worth mentioning, you don't have to fly through the fuel in order to get to the destination. You can go and skip straight to the destination system and ignore everything in between. Alright, so now I've gone to PAX, where there is a fuel depot. And basically fly over to it, press A few times, and you get fuel. I'm going to show you what happens when you scan in a system that does not have any artifacts. The Reapers don't respond, and that's how you can tell right away that this system is barren and not worth your time. Now we're going to go back to that cluster we were in before. This time we're going to find something scanning. So to go to another solar system in the same cluster, if the edge is green, then you can go through it. If the edge is red, then it's just that system in the entire cluster. You can also egg the Reapers on to just a little bit less than their total aggression, alertness, whatever it is, and that's pretty much safe. And don't do anything more and it'll decline gradually. I'm gonna go over here, scan. This planet responded. Reapers respond too. Go into scanning mode, and you have to use your scanning mode on the planet, and it'll do a little pointer. And then when you come across a glowy spot on the planet, you launch your probe while holding your scanner down. This time, I got a war asset. Sometimes you will get from planets a bit of research data, which you use to get into Liara's office and get some neat powers. So this is what happens when you run out of fuel. I'm going to just deplete all of my fuel. Before I forget to mention, one of the other things you can find by scanning are quest items. Like random Citadel quests, you have to go scan a planet. Alright, now I'm moving my control stick in all directions except towards the RATS relay system, and it's not taking. The ship will automatically fly right back to where the mass relay is, which can be a problem if you've gotten the Reapers there. Now we're going to go visit Liara, and more importantly, Glyph.
Excellent find, Commander. The information
Glyph will say something like, "Excellent find, Commander," if you found anything worth having. So this is one of the upgrades. It is a powers upgrade. You can choose one or the other, and it will permanently upgrade that thing. And that's all the upgrades you've got when you highlight that. This has been the Chicken Sniper on Mass Effect 3 in space. Thank you for watching, and check out my other tutorials and walkthroughs.